Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick homemade fast food recipe. Very delicious, very tasty, very yummy and very easy to do as well. So make sure you watch the video from start to finish. Hit that like button, leave a positive comment, and if this is your first time watching any of my videos, I'm on a drive to reach my first 1,000 subscribers, so please hit that subscribe button. Now let's go straight into the video. My chicken breast. What I'm gonna do is to slice each chicken breast into some small strips. What I have here is a total of 5 chicken breasts. The chicken breasts, I've now sliced them. So what I'm going to do next is to season it. Let me just put this away. Before I've done anything, what I've done, I've washed the chicken breast with some fresh water and then with some vinegar and then rinse it as well. So I'm just going to season it now. Firstly, this is some jerk seasoning, or this is some dry jerk seasoning. Jerk seasoning paste. This is quite hot, so I'm not going to put a lot in seasoning paste that I've made myself. Just going to add some. I have some paprika here. I'm going to add some paprika to this. This is some ground ginger. What needs to happen now is for me to give this a nice stir. I can tell you that this smells really nice. Really nice with all the you know, the flavors of the green seasoning paste and the jerk seasoning paste. It just gives a nice smell. I'm gonna cook this now. I'm just gonna put it back in the fridge, and this will marinate and for whenever I'm ready to cook it. Here's my chicken that was seasoned and left to marinate for probably 3 days ago. Here I have some coating for the chicken. This was made by myself, so I didn't buy any at the shop. And this is a mixture of flour, smoked paprika, some dry jerk seasoning, some cayenne pepper, and a few other stuff. Here I have some milk. I don't use egg in my coating because I don't really like the smell of fried egg. So what I'm gonna do now is just to put the chicken in the flour. Then I'm gonna dip it in the milk, and then I'm gonna dip it back in the flour. And I'm gonna just put this right here for maybe about 5 minutes until I'm ready to start to fry it. This is the chicken. Everything is now coated, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna deep fry it. So what I'm doing here now is just to deep fry the chicken breast, as you can see. Smells really nice. So here is the chicken. Looks really nice, it looks really delicious. I like the color as well, golden brown. Okay, so along with this chicken breast, I'm gonna do some crinkle chips, which I'm putting in the deep fryer now. So as you can see, I'm just making some chicken sandwich with some of the fried chicken breast. This looks absolutely yummy. Here I'm adding some sauce. This is homemade sauce, by the way. Let me just put this right here. Right, so there you have it. This is a quick homemade fast food recipe. Here I have I've done some fried chicken breast, and I've made some chicken sandwiches with some lettuce and tomato, some homemade sauce, have some chips there, and I have some remaining vegetables. I'm gonna make some more sandwiches because it's 5 of us, but this looks absolutely delicious. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate your support. Please remember, leave a comment to introduce yourself. Give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so I'd appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button when you watch this video. I appreciate your support. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.